Here we are. It is 6 a.m. Well, where are we going, gang?
Croatia!
So far, got all our bags. Hey gang, here we are. We are in Croatia, Dubrovnik, Croatia. We were scheduled to go to the BVI this week, but with shutdowns and what have you, we decided to switch gears and we're now here on Seadream Yacht Club. It's a 300-foot beautiful ship. They call it a yacht. I don't know why, but it's a ship. They call it a yacht. Actually, I did the Atlantic crossing on this ship about a year and a half ago. I'll link those videos below. You can take a look at the ship. This week, it's me and my wife and a couple other couples, 8 of us. We've all vacationed together before. We did in the BVI. I'll link that video below as well. So we're gonna go up the coast of Croatia and then end up in Venice, Italy. It's gonna be a beautiful week. Come on along.
The first mojito of the trip.
Yoo-hoo!
Here's the neck.
The neck. Yeah, neck.
Enjoy it. This is the best. Thank you.
Goodbye, Dubrovnik. Just shoved off. Everybody's having cocktails in the lounge. Let's go to the lounge, shall we?
Welcome back!
Welcome back! Yay!
We miss you!
I missed you too. I'm so happy to be back.
I'm so happy.
We're all happy to be back, aren't we?
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Oh, here's everybody. Say hi, everybody.
Oh, hello.
Everybody having a lovely cocktail.
He's like an angel.
Glowing.
Oh.
As the sun is setting, it's always the prettiest time on the ship. Well, here we are on night number 1. Glenmine, are we looking at the sunset?
Beautiful sunset.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Taking pictures.
1, 2.
Am I in the way? Oh,
It was a perfect picture.
sorry.
Okay.
Our lovely Jamie.
Oh, hi.
Well, I'm filming here.
Sorry. Do I not take the best pictures of you guys?
Beautiful. Okay.
Just gorgeous.
I know, right?
Gorgeous.
Shall we go to dinner?
Let's go to dinner.
Let's go eat.
Ladies, how are you? Dining room. Beautiful. To good friends. Yes. You happy?
Do you need to even ask?
No. Yes. Johnny Cash is happy.
Super happy. Hey.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your dining pleasure this evening.
All right, so after dinner, you come to the top of the yacht. Top of the yacht, and we all have drinks, right? Well, it is morning, and we're having breakfast. How's everybody doing?
We're doing great.
Good. Great.
Right?
In our happy spot.
Our happy spot. We are in Korčula, Croatia, and today we're going to go do some dune buggies of some sort. Not quite sure. We'll all go together and find out. So what happens here on Seadream is you get into tender. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And you go ashore and then you do your adventure. So all 8 of us are going to do the dune buggy. Going dune buggying. Hello, we're ready to go.
I couldn't even reach the pedal.
Time to go. We're buggying in Korčula. Lots of grapevines. lunch at this quaint little place. We're now walking in the old town of Cortula. Churches everywhere. Beautiful churches. Lovely cafes all along the shore. We're gonna go jump in the ocean because we can. All right, Uncle Rob. I'm coming to you. Woo. Well, this doesn't suck. Well, Denise.
Well, hey!
You are in the Adriatic Sea.
In the Adriatic. Isn't that cool?
With a noodle.
Very warm.
Hello, Diane.
Oh my goodness.
We're going back in. For drinks in the back of the boat. Happy hour. And here he is. There he is, the chef. A wonderful time. Thank you so much. That is called dancing to Glenn. That's awesome. So generally later at night, the older folks like us gather around here and drink and listen to great music and have fun. Even Greg is dancing. Hello, Lucille. Well, we are in the town of Viz. This is where Mamma Mia was filmed. All the women are giddy about it. All the men love their women.
This is beautiful.
You feel like breaking out in an ABBA song?
I could, with a little background music.
The bells are constantly ringing. Finally stopped. Almost. The guy's arm is wearing out. And I tell you how beautiful the water is here. It's so clear. That's just the cutest. The belly bar, which is straight across the street from the Policia.
No, it's the bubbly bar.
What do I call it?
Belly bar.
Belly. Well, the bubbly is going in our belly.
You happy?
Yes.
Very happy?
I'm happy,
Mamma
happy.
mia. So leaving now, and there's a narrow passage out of this city. It's about 100 feet deep and just barely wide enough for the ship to go through. Really interesting, and it's a beautiful time of day too. And these holes you see right here is a garage for a submarine used back in the Yugoslavian War. A couple of them. Just sneak right in there and sneak out. Pretty clever. pass somebody. Okay, so we have a little tradition here on Seadream. They have these Balinese beds, which I'll show you here in a second. And you can reserve them for the night and actually sleep out here. I never stay out here all night. It's too windy. Can't go to sleep. But we have a little tradition of always coming out here and taking a picture and having fun. So you see, it's highly important that we get every combination of photo possible.
I'm not even married to him.
We don't even know who this is.
This guy.
Some guy we met at the bar.
Look
Look at that. How sexy is that? Wow.
He almost fit. Schmexy.
So we all get our names on our...
And sometimes you get two when they spell your name wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
Or they call you the wrong name.
Oh, here are the... Hey, we hear piano. So we're going down in our flip-flops and jammies to the piano bar. Yay, George! And we have Gareth over-serving us tonight.
Just make me something. Malibu Rum.
Yes, I'm in my robe, by the way, in the piano bar.
Then I saw her face. Sweet home Alabama. But there's some place that he'd rather be.
Talking, it's hard to understand. Tourism is definitely back over here. Centuries old, and they're beautiful. Well, we are taking a load off and drinking wine.
What a shame.
Aren't we?
What a shame.
We are at Matosevich Winery.
Anyway, it was
Okay. Thank you, Tony.
Learn something.